Welcome you all. In the last lecture, we discussed about basics of antennas. So we look at the definition of antenna, importance of antenna in wireless communication system. We also look at fundamentals of antennas. For example, radiation pattern, half power beam width, then first null beam width, side lobe levels, and so on. Now, this video consists of the basics types of antenna. Now, these are the contents. So, physical structure of an antenna, frequency of operation, mode of application, application specific antennas. Now, the antennas may be divided into various types depending upon their physical structure, then frequency range of operation, and the mode of application. Now, here, so depending upon the physical structure, following are the types of antennas according to the physical structure. So those are wire antennas, aperture antennas, reflector antennas, lens antennas, microstrip antennas, and array antennas. So all the antennas we are going to study in detail while starting in the syllabus. Next is types based on frequency of operations. So following are the types of antennas according to the frequency of operation. So here uh, there are very low frequency antenna, that is VLF, then low frequency antenna LF, then medium frequency antenna, high frequency antenna, very high frequency antenna, ultra high frequency antenna, super high frequency, then microwave and radio wave antenna. So all these types based on their frequency of operation. Under the modes of application, following are the types of antennas according to the modes of applications. Those are point to point application communication, broadcasting applications, radar communication, then satellite communication. So these four categories comes under the modes of applications of the antenna. Now here antennas have to be classified their physical structure and functionality more clearly. There are many types of antennas depending upon the application. So this table shows types of antennas based on its physical structure, its examples, and the application depends upon on the types. So the considering first case, so type of antenna is wire antenna, and the example for these wire antennas are dipole antenna, monopole antenna, helix antenna, and the loop antenna. And their applications are these wire antennas generally used for personal application, buildings, ships, automobiles, spacecrafts. Then coming to the aperture antenna, aperture antennas are the waveguide and the horn antenna. So and their applications are flush mounted applications, aircraft, and the in the spacecraft. Now the next antenna is the reflector antennas. Reflector antennas are nothing but a passive device which reflects a given antenna. There are different types of reflector antennas. It can have a planar reflector, corner reflector, or the parabolic reflector. Then next type is lens antennas. Lens antennas are divided into convex plane, then concave plane, convex plane, and concave lenses, and their applications used for very high frequency. These are used for the very high frequency application. Then after that, microstrip antennas. In fact, microstrip antennas are actually very popular these days. It is replacing many other antennas, whether it is your mobile phone, whether it is your antennas in the aeroplane or satellite or missile. Majority of the places microstrip antennas are being used. So here are some examples mentioned, that is circular shaped, rectangular shaped, metallic patch above the ground plane. So these are the examples of the microstrip antennas, and which are used for aircraft, as already told, for mobile phones, right? And then last category is the array antenna. So array antenna consist of different kinds of arrays. Array antenna, and the examples are, that is Aggie antenna, microstrip patch array, aperture array, slotted wave guide array, guided array, and these are used for high gain application. Now in that case, there is it is mentioned that the Aggie antenna, it is basically used for the television application. Now there are some application specific antennas here I have mentioned. So the application specific antennas, the simple medium wave radio, MW radio, that is medium wave radio, also known as amplitude modulated wave, from that is radio frequency from 530 to 1620 kilohertz, so 620 kilohertz, and generally those are used for the monopole antennas. Now taking an example of cell phone, it has so many different bands. For example, CDMA, it has a CDMA band commonly known as 800 megahertz band, then GSM 900, which is 900 band. In fact, the band varies from 890 to 960 megahertz. Then GSM 1800 band, actually these consist of 1710 to 1880 megahertz. Then we have 3G. Now 3G is again split into two parts, that is transmit parts and the receive parts. So there are many types of specific application based antennas also there, and there is again some antennas which are called as a cell tower antenna, and the cell tower antenna use monopole antenna, dipole antenna, microstrip antenna arrays. So this is about the types of the antennas. Now just to summarize this session, so antennas are divided into three basic categories: physical structure, frequency of operation, and modes of applications. And here we also discuss some application specific antennas. And at the last, these are the references I have chosen to make this video. Thank you very much. Thank you.